Hi, hello, arugula, how are you? Grocery shopping haul for one in New York City. Is it even possible to spend $30 or less in a 1 week interval? Thank you to my sponsor, Storyblocks. They have amazing audio, sound effects, images, stock video, and After Effects templates for intros and outros. I highly recommend you check out Storyblocks to save you time going to get one more shot or save you time in editing and money with their affordable subscription plans that help you tell the best version of your story while staying on budget. If you were to get each asset individually, it costs so much more money. Click the link down below to check it out. I have the unlimited plan. I highly recommend it because it gives you unlimited downloads of over 1 million royalty-free stock assets in the library, so you can try multiple options quickly to find the perfect shot to create more and spend less. Anywho, let's get into the video. I know that you can probably get very similar things for even less if you are in a small town outside of a big city or at Walmart. There are some amazing deals, but this is no coupons, no Walmart. This is just what a person could very easily pay in New York City. So I'm specifically located in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I went to the local food town, which is a little bit of a longer walk, but to get there, it was not bad. I just walked, and then I got all of this stuff, good stuff for a week, including a lot of healthy options. I've got lentils, I've got eggs, I've got broccoli, I've got veggies, I've got a little bit of everything. And I am about to prove to you that it is possible to do it on a budget. If you watched my last video on 25 grocery tips to save money, you'll know one tip is to avoid pre-cut fruits and veggies. Here you'll see these 3 levels of convenience cost more. Let's rewind that. The middle, cut into many cubes, are $3.49 per pound. The 4 big chunks are $1.10 per pound, and the 1 bigger chunk is 99 cents per pound. Not only is this one cheaper, I also find it stays longer. This bigger package of arugula, that's 16 ounces, is a little bit costly, but cheaper than the smaller packages and lasts me so much longer. Next, I got broccoli crowns. I don't love the stalks, so even though they're the same price, I go for the crowns because I'm getting more florets than stalks. Don't forget to shake off the excess water, which is often not necessary to keep produce fresh, but rather a marketing tactic that and will weigh more when you're buying things by weight. I used to get pre-cut veggies, but as you can see, the cost is about double per pound. This pre-cut package is $4.99 versus $2.49 per pound. Next, I saw these tortillas that don't have a price tag, so I got these, and I also got these, so I could do a price comparison at the register to go with the cheaper one. Next, I got firm tofu. Last week, this same exact tofu was $1.99, but for this video, I wanted to show this is what I got this week. So wherever there are deals, ideally, I would get more of something on a week when it is marked down. So last week, I got 4 packages of tofu, for example, and I still have some in my fridge, but I still wanted to show you in this video what I would eat in a week. Next, I found this great deal on eggs. And don't forget to check that they are not broken. This deal was for $1.99, but unfortunately, I didn't realize till the end that they still charged me the original $4.19 price tag for these eggs. I was distracted at the register as I was focused on trying to film and stay under $30. So if I had caught this at the register, the total should actually be $27.09, so $3.87 per meal, but still around $4 per meal, so no big deal. Just a good reminder that I always need to double check the prices at the register. As I'm walking past the cheeses, this is another good reminder to avoid the tortillas that are too conveniently right next to all the Mexican cheeses in the wrong place because they are often more expensive if they're in convenient places. This is not the normal tortilla area and aisle, so they are going to choose the more expensive brand name ones to put here. Then I wanted lentils and beans, and I found a great deal on red lentils and then these black beans. Sometimes you can find a deal by seeing which item is almost out of stock. As you can see, most people also went for these cheaper options. I went through the meat aisle earlier and didn't find a great deal, and I did have ground beef at home, so I'm glad I went back because in those 20 minutes, they restocked some manager's special chicken drumsticks for an amazing price of $1.35 for 3 drumsticks, perfect for grilling the next day. The moment of truth. To see if it would all be within my budget, under $30, or about $4 per day. Drum roll, please. And the total is $29.29. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you hit the arugula, okay, I'll do it again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. YouTube algorithm gods, they love that, so do it. And then subscribe if you haven't already. I'm about to unleash all of the bloopers on you. I hope you enjoy them. I think there's some really good ones and ridiculous ones as well. And thank you again to my sponsor, Storyblocks. If you haven't already, please check out the link down below. Thank you so much to them. Thank you to you guys for supporting me by checking out that link. Storyblocks is such a helpful tool that I use to add all the B-roll when I'm talking about a specific recipe or whatever it might be. It's easy to just grab a shot from there. It's like, oh, I forgot a shot of this, ground beef, whatever. Then I can grab a shot and it's so much easier. Okay, with that, let's get into all of those ridiculous bloopers. Slightly embarrassing, but you know. Okay, I'm like half in a split because this is me standing, sitting, standing, splitting. Okay, great. So stay tuned. I'm going to do multiple different parts. I'm going to explain that while I look at my line because I forget what that is. Ah! Grocery haul. It's fine. That'll be a blooper.